Especially any students of Ahmed Deedat or Zakir Naik, you've heard about King James Version.
I didn't know at the beginning, and for a very long time, I didn't know that the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was mentioned by name in the Bible. Mentioned by name. In the Old Testament, in the Song of Solomon, chapter 5, verse 16, in the Hebrew language, it reads, in the Hebrew language, it says, Hikko mamittakim vi kullo Muhammadim zahdudi vi zahrei bainat Jerusalem. Song of Solomon, chapter 5, verse 16. The word Muhammadim is Muhammad, im, I am im. Im is a plural of respect in Hebrew. You see the first verse of the Bible, book of Genesis, chapter 1, verse 1. It says, in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The word God in Hebrew there is Elohim. In Hebrew, El stands for God, Elah stands for God, Elohim is a plural form to say with awe, respect and reverence. Plural of respect. So Elohim is a plural of respect. Im. El is God, Elah is God, Elohim is more than one of respect. No. Ask any Jew. This is his book. Ask him what is his Im. He said, look, in my language, this is a plural of respect. God is one, but out of respect we speak like that. Im. It says Muhammad Im, Muhammad Im, plural of respect. The word is there. In the Hebrew language. In the original, what they call original, it's there.
حكو ممتكيم بخلو محمدين زادودي وزرعي بنوت يروشلايم. حكو ممتكيم بخلو محمدين زادودي وزرعي بنوت يروشلايم.
Especially any students of Ahmed Deedat or Zakir Naik, you've heard about King James Version of the Bible.
Archangel Gabriel said, Iqra. Our beloved Prophet replied, Ma ana biqari. Ma ana biqari, which means I am not learned. This prophecy again fits to no one but our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Even the name of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is mentioned by name in the Holy Bible, in the Old Testament. It's mentioned in the book of Solomon, chapter number 5, verse number 16. The Hebrew quotation is, Hikko mamitakim vikulli Muhammadim zahdudi wa zahrai baina Jerusalem. It's a Hebrew quotation which says, Hikko mamitakim vikulli Muhammadim. The word Muhammad, to it is added im, because in the Hebrew language, if you give respect to anyone, im is added. Like how you have Elo for God, you say Elohim. It's a respect. Same to the word Muhammad is added im, Muhammadim, peace be upon him. So in the original Hebrew text of the Old Testament, Song of Solomon, chapter number 5, verse number 16, our beloved Prophet is mentioned by name. But the translation says that he is most sweet. He is altogether lovely.